Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I talk about many different ways to make money online. If you're interested in these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new opportunities. In today's video, I will talk to you about an app called AttaPoll, where you can make money answering short surveys. I will go through all the different options, complete a survey, show you my payment proof, and cash out my balance. So the first thing you see here is a 6-minute survey that I will complete after going through all the different options you have in this app. Then in the balance section, you can see I currently have €7.60. I've also already withdrawn money once with AttaPoll back in August 2020. In this section, you will also see all the different ways to request a payment. Here, I have the option to get a Nike gift card, donate to charity, withdraw money to my Revolut account, or request a payment via PayPal. For those who are not familiar with Revolut, it's a banking app where you can manage your money and track your expenses. The great thing with AttaPoll is that the minimum withdrawal amount is only €3. If you live in the US, it would be $3 and £3 in the UK. I've read that in some countries, they don't show you the amount of money you earn in your country's currency by completing surveys, but instead they count it in points, or credits as they call it. And then those credits are converted into real money. It seems different here in Ireland, where they show you the amount in euros instead of credits. AttaPoll is a British company, and one credit is worth 1 pence in British pound. As of January 2021, 1 pence is worth 1.3 cents in American dollars. Therefore, 100 credits is worth $1.30. You can also invite friends and you will earn 57 cents in euros or 69 cents in dollars for each valid referral. I will put my referral link in the description below if you want to sign up to AttaPoll. You don't need to use my link to sign up, but I would really appreciate it if you do. To be considered a valid referral, the user that signs up will have to complete at least 3 surveys in their first month of installing AttaPoll, must be over 16 years old and live in a supported country. I haven't been able to find a list of supported countries, however I know it's available in most countries worldwide, including the US, Canada, Europe, many countries in Asia, etc. I've contacted their support to ask if they had the list of their supported countries. So if they reply, I will put the list in the description. So I currently have 7 referrals and 1 in pending. The reason 1 is in pending is because the person I have referred probably didn't complete at least 3 surveys. Once the month is up, then it will be too late and I won't get paid for referring that person to AttaPoll. So if you guys want to refer people using AttaPoll, make sure to tell them to complete at least 3 surveys in their first month. Moving on to the settings, you can choose the survey frequency. Make sure that you select as many as possible if it's not already by default. For the maximum length, I chose any length, but feel free to select 5 minutes if you only want very short surveys. So now I will pause this video and complete this short survey. The stars you see above the length of the survey are ratings from AttaPoll users. This one has 4.5 stars, so it should be quick and easy to complete. Okay, I'm back and it took me about 4 minutes to complete it and I got paid 27 cents. When I started this video, I had €7.60 and I now have €7.87. Now I will withdraw the money I have to my PayPal account. I just need to enter my email address associated with my PayPal account and request payment. It is now in pending, as you can see there, so I will close and reopen AttaPoll to refresh. And it's now showing complete. And there it is in my PayPal account. It's the second time that I requested a payment from this app, and I got paid instantly both times. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see my latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next week.